Hi.
Hi, how are you, Miss McBain? I'm so glad to talk to you. I have an issue. My husband, when I met him, he had already applied for asylum. Then we filed for marriage. That was 2020.
So you're the petitioner, yes?
Yes, I am.
U.S.
Yeah,
citizen.
by the time I filed, I was still a resident, green card holder.
Okay.
But then last year, I became a citizen.
Okay.
But then, yes, they called us for the interview this year in August.
Okay. The file has been
Well,
upgraded, though, to an immediate relative case, right?
yes, so his I-130 was approved after the interview.
Great.
During the interview, we went with a lawyer, and then the officer asked my husband that there was something like he applied for a travel document to go back home and said, like, send his respect to the mom because his mom had passed on. What can he do? Because he does not know whether the case is withdrawn. The green card has not been approved.
I don't think the asylum case is still on the table, and I think the lawyer should have properly withdrawn the asylum case since it came up during that interview and your husband told the officer that he wants to proceed with the I-485 process through you. I think he might need a waiver. I think that there might be some indication there, whether it's from his DS-160 visa application information and his intent, what he told the U.S. Embassy in terms of his intent to come to the U.S. That came up during your interview. It doesn't always come up, but it came up during his interview. So they have an issue there that they're looking at. And then the other issue is the travel document. That's a flag. You know, he should not have applied for a travel document through the adjustment of status case through you, knowing that he had applied for asylum and now he wanted to go back and attend this traditional ceremony. Put in that request for the travel document while he had a pending asylum case.
Yes.
So I think that they're going to bring up the issue of fraud. You might get, or he, not you, you're over. Your part is over, so to speak, for now, because your I-130 was approved. What's needed next, most likely, is an I-601, and then you'll come back into the scene with proven extreme hardship to you, unless he has a parent here who is a U.S. citizen or a green card holder who would suffer extreme hardship if he is deported. Based on the line of questions from that officer, it sounds like they're leaning toward stringing events together to make it appear that your husband came here to apply for asylum and then to eventually get married and apply for a green card. If you guys do get that waiver request, or if they try to pull anything further, contact us. We'd be happy to walk you through it and help you with it, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
You're very welcome.